Hi, I'm Moskalenko, CEO of DEPLABS Digital Commerce Agency. We're a global agency serving world-class merchants and retailers by modernizing their e-commerce infrastructure. BigCommerce stands among our technology partners for powering some of the most amazing user experiences. Our developers love it for its flexibility, rich feature set, and ease of onboarding.
Hi, I'm Fertig, Global Director of Agency Partnerships for BigCommerce. We launched BigDev Bootcamp in 2020 to enhance the developer experience and to deliver a world-class developer training on our open SaaS e-commerce platform. The reason we love working with DEPLABS is not only for the great client work they deliver, but for their investment in our partnership in the form of having the most front-end and back-end developers certified through our BigDev Bootcamp program.
BigCommerce is a modern platform. You can develop single-page applications using one of the popular frameworks like Vue or React. You can also develop locally, and you work with APIs that are constantly evolving. I really enjoy working with BigCommerce and developing sites with it. It is really well documented. You can find information in a lot of different sources, especially the BigDev Bootcamp.
I worked with several e-commerce platforms and it took time to fully understand their architecture. From the front-end perspective, the BigDev training is a great opportunity to look at the major BigCommerce features at the global scale. Going through the theme engine specifics in its API helped a lot to gain a solid understanding of all development aspects.
BigCommerce is an ideal platform to learn for a developer just starting out in e-commerce. It has intuitive interface and professional stencil-based themes that have a lot of pre-built features. After the training, you understand where to use server-to-server API and where a storefront API can be used to pull and push data.
When we had completed the first 2 rounds of training, we immediately saw the boost in developers' confidence and productivity levels. They're now definitely capable of handling the complex site build projects on BigCommerce.
At the BigDev sessions, I've got all the answers I needed. We have a large community of people who work with BigCommerce. We are not left alone with our problems.
The vision I got after finishing the course made it possible to instantly develop themes and to do high-quality work.
For me, as a tech lead, it is very important to know that my team is prepared for any kind of challenges, and the BigDev Bootcamp gives me that confidence.
BigCommerce is a technology company that truly cares about their clients' and developers' user experience. We trust each other.
If you'd like to learn more about what we can do for your business, we'd love to hear from you.